Introducing the Milescraft HingeMate150 template kit. This kit comes with everything you need to route mortises in doors and jambs and covers common hinges ranging from 3 inch to 3.5 inch and having both square or rounded corners. Milescraft offers a wide range of door hinge template kits for jobs such as door installation or door relocation. To route mortises for new hinge installation, you will need to first measure the thickness of your door. Included in the HingeMate150 is a layout sheet that tells you exactly where to mark your lines based on the size of your door. Here I am marking the center lines for my 3 hinges. Measure the thickness of your hinge plate. Next, get the proper template for the hinge size that you will be using. Depending on the hinge radius, set the template into the template frame and press it firmly until it seats into place. The templates in this kit can be set to cut a 1/4 inch or 5/8 inch radius. Line the pencil line up with the grooves in the black template and screw it into place using the provided screws. Now you will need to set the provided router bit to the same height or thickness as the hinge plate thickness. It's always a good idea to test this on a scrap piece of wood before cutting too deep into your new door. Once everything is set, slowly plunge the router into the door and let the bearing follow the inner profile of the template. Move the router around inside of the template until you have removed all of the material. You should be left with a smooth and cleanly cut pocket that matches your hinge profile. Remove the screws holding the template to the door and check the depth and the fit of the hinge in the pocket. For routing door jambs, all you have to do is transfer the center of your mortised hinge on the door to the jamb. Line up the template to the mark and screw it into place. Double check the bit's cutting depth and start routing into the material, letting the bearing follow the template as you go. If you require square hinges for your project, you will first need to rotate the template in its frame. This will allow you to remove more material from the corners. The HingeMate150 kit does not come with a corner chisel, but Milescraft offers one separately where you can simply use a chisel to remove the small amount of material left in the corners. Using this template kit leaves screw holes in your doors and jambs. You can easily fill these with putty or wood filler prior to paint and finish. If you know you've got a door project coming up, check out the Milescraft HingeMate150 template kit. Milescraft, always the better idea.